The Yale Assure Lock to Wi-Fi is one of the most anticipated smart locks of 2025, offering cutting-edge security and seamless connectivity for modern homes. This sleek, black YRD410WF1BSP model combines a keypad smart lock with Wi-Fi integration, eliminating the need for a separate hub. Perfect for front or back doors, it provides keyless entry via customizable codes, while including a backup key for emergencies. With its Yale Security Lock design, users enjoy a blend of style and durability, making it a top contender in home automation. This connected smart lock stands out with its easy installation and intuitive app control, allowing remote access and real-time alerts. The Wi-Fi-enabled door lock ensures compatibility with major smart home systems, offering voice control via Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. However, some users report occasional connectivity drops, and the premium price may deter budget-conscious buyers. Despite this, its keypad door lock reliability and advanced encryption make it a secure choice for tech-savvy homeowners. While the Yale Assure Lock to excels in convenience and security, its battery life could be improved, requiring frequent replacements under heavy usage. The inclusion of a backup keyhole adds peace of mind, but the lock's reliance on Wi-Fi may pose issues in areas with weak signals. Overall, its sleek design, robust features, and smart integration solidify its position as a leading smart lock for 2025. A link to order this product on Amazon has been provided in the description below.